Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to guide you through Amsterdam's vibrant food scene. Join us on this culinary adventure as we unveil the 5 best restaurants you simply can't afford to miss in 2024. From traditional Dutch delights to modern eateries, discover flavors that capture the essence of this beautiful city. The Silveren Spiegel is a must-visit historic Dutch restaurant nestled in Amsterdam. Its rich menu features traditional recipes that highlight the local culture. The cozy ambience makes it a perfect spot for both locals and tourists, creating a warm dining experience that truly reflects the charm of the city. The Seafood Bar is a renowned dining destination in Amsterdam, celebrated for its fresh and sustainably sourced seafood. With a vibrant atmosphere, it offers a delightful culinary experience. Don't miss their must-try dishes, which showcase the best flavors of the sea, beautifully presented in a lively setting. Vesper stands out as a trendy cocktail bar and kitchen in Amsterdam, seamlessly blending Dutch and international flavors. This unique establishment offers innovative dishes crafted with creativity, alongside a diverse selection of unique drinks. It's the perfect spot for food and cocktail enthusiasts looking for an exciting culinary adventure. Café Winkel 43 is a beloved institution in Amsterdam, renowned for serving what many consider the best apple pie in the city. This charming small café draws locals and tourists alike with its warm atmosphere and delicious desserts, making it a must-stop for anyone seeking a true taste of Amsterdam. Fiko is a hidden gem in Amsterdam, celebrated for its exceptional Mediterranean cuisine that features a creative twist. This restaurant stands out for its imaginative dishes that celebrate vibrant flavors, making it a must-visit for food lovers seeking a unique dining experience in the heart of the city. In this section, we explore the key factors that make these restaurants truly exceptional. From their inviting atmosphere that enhances the dining experience to the unique dishes that showcase creativity and flavor, we'll also highlight the memorable customer experiences that keep diners coming back for more. As we conclude, we hope this curated list of Amsterdam's top restaurants inspires your culinary journey during your next visit. Each of these establishments promises an unforgettable dining experience, blending unique flavors and inviting atmospheres, ensuring you savor the best of what Amsterdam's vibrant food scene has to offer. We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed our video, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Also, feel free to share your favorite restaurants in Amsterdam in the comments below. Your input helps us create more engaging content for all food lovers out there.